Okay, so now I have my good brother Manatazach Mayam. He's gonna try the spaghetti that I made and give his opinion on how it tastes.
Okay, let me try this. This is really good.
Yeah?
This is really, really good.
Wow.
This is very good.
Yeah?
What you put in this? This is good. This got gold.
Yeah, I used
There's a gold mine here. This must be some new stuff.
yeah, basically that's lamb meatballs.
This is best spaghetti I've ever tasted in my life.
Wow. It's ground lamb. And I let the meatballs marinate overnight with garlic and red pepper and some different seasonings.
Oh my goodness. This is really good.
Oh, wow. And
I wish I had some for you guys. I tell you folks, this is really good.
wow.
This is really, really awesome.
Oh, man. How the meatballs?
The meatballs are excellent. Spaghetti's nothing like I've ever tasted in my life.
Oh, man.
And this is really, really good. I never expected it to be this good, but this is really, really good spaghetti. I mean,
Oh, man. Thanks, man.
oh,
So we got 5 more seconds on the before we
5 more
time
seconds?
out.
I'm finished it.
Thanks, good brother.